Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to remove text from any video without blurring it using Capcut. Let's get started with easy step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Start a new project. Begin by tapping on New Project in Capcut. Select the video from which you want to remove the text without blurring it. Step 2. Take a screenshot. Identify the text in the video that you want to remove and take a screenshot of that specific area. Step 3. Use Snapseed. Open the Snapseed application, which you can easily find on the Play Store. Tap on Open and select the screenshot you just took. Step 4. Crop the screenshot. Tap on the Crop tool from the bottom options and accurately crop around the text you want to remove. Ensure precision in cropping. Step 5. Remove the text tap on the Heal tool from the third row, third column. Zoom in on the text area and select the specific text to remove. Once done, tap on the check mark to apply the changes. Step 6. Export the edited screenshot. After removing the text, tap on Export and then Save to save the edited screenshot to your device. Step 7. Add overlay in Capcut. Return to Capcut and tap on Overlay. Add the edited screenshot as an overlay by selecting it from your device's gallery. Step 8. Adjust the overlay position the overlay perfectly over the text area in your video by adjusting its size and placement. Ensure it aligns accurately with the original text. Step 9. Apply mask. Tap on Mask from the bottom options and select the circular mask. Use this mask to cover the area where the text was located. Adjust the size of the mask as needed. Step 10. Finalize and review. Once you've applied the mask, tap on the check mark to confirm. Review the video in full mode to ensure the text removal looks seamless and professional. Step 11. Save and export. If you're satisfied with the result, save your project and export the video. Your video now appears without the text, maintaining its clarity and professionalism. That's it. You've successfully removed text from your video without blurring it using Capcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.